my aunt told me, she lives in England, by the way, she got me hooked onto Zoflora, and I would like literally go to England to stock up on Zoflora. Then I found a website that has it, like, you know, sells it to the US, but it's ridiculously expensive. So I was talking to her about how I love Zoflora so much and it's so hard to get here. And she's like, oh, I've moved on. I'm using Purdy and Figg now. So I was like, oh crap, what is this Purdy and Figg? So I got it. They've just launched it in the US. So now you guys can actually order it from the US website. They have more scents on the UK website, but how unfair. Anyway, it just arrived. I'm super excited. So I did the subscription where like every so often you pay a certain amount and they send you out the new scents. So you've got your little Explore Our Scents book. And then it comes with the actual cleaning cloth that says Purdy and Figg, which is microfiber. You get the water bottle or like the cleaner bottle. It is glass. It's quite nice actually. It looks a little bit bougie. It says Purdy and Figg. And then you get 3 scents. So this is the uplifting citrus, the grounding vetiver, and the balancing floral. And you pour the whole entire concentrate into the bottle, fill up the rest with water, and boom. It cleans, it makes your house smell amazing. Apparently, she says it's amazing. Okay, so this one is kind of citrusy. It smells like lemons and oranges. It's very zesty. Grounding vetiver is definitely more of like a woodsy, kind of like earthy, smells like you're like outside in the woods. And then the balancing floral, I can't figure out what this is. It almost smells like geranium or something. Yeah, it's like, I know this smell, but what is it? I can't read that small of writing, but it smells like it's some kind of geranium, or it's very essential oily, really, really nice. I think my favorite is the citrus one. Guys, I just read it. It's geranium, vetiver, and lemon oil, so I knew it. Dude, I'm so good with my smells. Okay, so basically you're supposed to pour this whole entire thing, freaking life, I almost spilled, into the bottle. Just the one. So this will give you 3 different full bottles. Like obviously the 3 different scents. We're gonna, oh, it's kind of like thicker than an essential oil. Do you guys see that? It's almost like gooey. Interesting. Just gonna let that sit for a sec, and then I'll fill it up with water, and then that's your cleaner. So, and that one smells so good. I hope that we get more scents like available to us here in the US, because don't be stingy, you know what I mean? Like maybe they just need to, maybe more people need to buy Purdy and Figg so that I can get more scents. If you guys could just buy this so I can get more scents available to me, that would be great. Thank you. We're doing it. God, it smells so good. Okay, now I've got my Purdy and Figg cloth. Oh, it smells so glorious. This is the beautiful thing about getting old. Get excited about cleaning products. I never, did you guys hear that? My son said it smells nice, and he's 14. If a 14-year-old notices it smells good, it's a winner. God, it does smell good though. Babe, come sniff.
Okay.
Come sniff this counter.
I can already smell it.
Can you?
But it's nice.
Smells
Oh,
gorgeous.
yeah, that is lovely.
It's so nice.
It just smells like...
Wait, feel the counter. Oh, God.
Do you know what that
It leaves a nice, like, film, or not film, but, like...
It's just clean.
Silky.
This reminds me of, like, if you go
Wow,
into...
this is nice.
luxury house or some sort of...
Like my aunt's house.
Yeah,
My aunt has, like, a really amazing house in England, you guys, and she's definitely bougie. And here, I'm going to spray it on these bits.
That's what this smells like.
It smells like you're walking into a rich, classy person's home, is what it smells like. So if you want to smell classy and rich without coffee stains on your counter, get you some Purdy and Figg. Also, I do not make any money from this whatsoever. I'm literally just excited because, wait, it did take up the coffee. Oh, it took up the coffee as well. I just was really excited because my aunt told me about it, and I literally buy whatever my aunt says because she's just the top of all tops. Amazing. Everything she does is great. Okay, look at that. Took away the coffee stains, and this one too. Let's see, can we get rid of this? Yep. Look at that counter. Crisp. That's gorge. And then you can just, I like that it comes with a little cloth as well, because then you can dry it on the other side. I need to order more of these cloths, actually. I really like them. Okay, look at that. Spiffy clean, guys.